Hey guys, Diecast takeover. Today we have a Matchbox superfast 2018 Range Rover Vogue SE. Let's have a quick look at it. So the superfast, I think, is kind of like the Real Riders from Hot Wheels. So they have the rubber wheels, you can see right here, true grip tires. It's pretty neat. They have a little bit of tread to them, a bit of bite. Alright, let's flip it over. Have the C10 pickup, Ford sedan custom, Ford Crown Vic, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX, and the Range Rover. This is actually the second Range Rover from Matchbox I have. I mean, I have a few other ones, but from this 2018 year, this is the second one I got. Wanted it in black, got it in black, and then I saw this one and I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. Might as well grab this one. So, kind of comes with the like old school Matchbox boxes that they used to come in. I think that's what they were going for with this. But let's try to crack this thing open. We've looked at the box enough. So, the Range Rover Vogue SE was sold with a couple different engines. I think 2 diesels and 3 petrols. So I believe the most powerful one, which is the one I would just like to pretend that this one has, is the 5.0 V8, making about, what is it? Is it close to 500 horsepower? Alright, let's tear this thing open. Let's get this box out. I've actually never opened one of these, so sorry if it's a little bumpy. Trying to get this thing out. Look at that. Huh, nothing in it. And let's get the car out. Oh boy. Let's have a look at her. Focusing on that. Nice. Tan interior. Looks very fancy. Kind of focusing on the grille here. There we go. Little lighting problem. So it's a little weird. They went with black and then orange on the top. But oh, the rubber kind of catches a little bit. Interesting. Let's have a look what I brought with us today. So I know this looks a little janky. I'll probably take it off. Made a little roof box tent for it. Comes right off pretty easily. Maybe I'll do a video on those. Alright. You know, this one kind of looks a little bigger. Have a look. Neat. So on mine, I've done some stuff to it. These are not the original wheels that came with it. They came with a more like sporty looking wheel. I wanted a more off-road look for this car. I'm more into the off-road scene. That's kind of why I wanted this car too, because I thought the rubber wheels would kind of help, but you know, honestly, my custom job seems to roll better than these. These want to catch right away. Also, I mean, the black does a better job, just since this kind of like black and then orange, it's a little weird. That might be how they do it. It just looks a little awkward, especially like parts like here, where you just don't have that on the black. I also filed this part down, that right there, just to give it a bit more of a better approach angle instead of hitting this lump first. Let's show everybody the party feature about this one. Can lift the trunk open. It does a really weird job of doing that. It feels like it's gonna break. I think I can just kind of force it. There we go. Whoop. Not bad though. I don't like doing it on this one because it kind of makes the glass in it kind of weird. But there it is. It is open. Pretty neat. Close that down. I'll have to cue some photos of this guy. Him and his brother. Alright guys. Thanks for checking out. This was just a kind of a quick video of the Matchbox Superfast 2018 Range Rover Vogue SE. Thanks guys for checking this out. I actually love to own one of these in real life. I think they're a pretty cool looking vehicle. I kind of like the poshness of it, but I also like when people throw off-road wheels on it. Kind of like a swanky off-roader. Pretty neat concept. Alright, I've had enough of this weird lighting in the background. I'm going to end this video here. You guys have a great day. Diecast Takeover out.